and welcome back to yet another YOLO TV Reacts video. Today I will be reacting to Babes WODUMO and MPHELA. Now these two ladies have been compared in the past in terms of who is the best dancer or the better dancer, and today I'm so glad that I finally get to judge who will win today's battle. So let us not waste any more time, you guys. I do try to make these videos less than 5 minutes, so let's just get right into it. Teaser, you guys, it's a teaser. And when I tell you guys, that was just the warm-up. It was a teaser. That is why it was really short. And so for me, Babes WODUMO, yes, she gave in the energy. However, MPHELA ayuyagijima bafethu, ungijimele kamnandi for this particular one. So for the winner for this one, it will have to go to MPHELA because of the way ebengijimela ngakhona ungichazile. Let's check out the next video clip. Bafethu uyabona manje zikhala impela ungizwe message sithi ziyakhala usukeshe into ekanjena, like literally this time angazi ukuthi ngizokhetha bani, but uBabes WODUMO literally gave her all the energy. Also, I don't know if it's the song that is making me ukuthi ngichazeke more than ngichazwe uKAMO for this one. So honestly speaking, I'm going to choose Babes WODUMO as the winner for this battle. Let's check the last video for today, you guys. So before we pick our winner for today, please do make sure to subscribe to this channel, you guys. I think it is safe to say road to 100 subscribers. I am already on 63 subscribers, so please do make sure to subscribe, like this video, and engage me on the comment section. So angazi ukuthi ngizoyithini le ndaba, ngishintshile manje ngiyi-Black Diamond, angazi ukuthi ngizoyenze njani. Both ladies brought it in, you guys. I do wish I could give both of them like a 10 out of 10, but there has to be a winner, you guys. MPHELA, her body looks amazing. Also Babes WODUMO's body looks amazing. Like they literally both look amazing. Angazi badansa kahle bobawu too, but once again for this one I would have to give it to Babes WODUMO, you guys. Uyangichaza angazi noma ama beats kwenzakalani, like literally, you guys. Also, a side note would be that I really listen to GQOM music. I love AMAPIANO music, but when it comes to actually seeing umuntu odansela GQOM music and then seeing umuntu odansela AMAPIANO, I just have to give it to GQOM guys. Like WODUMO, dance umuntu wabantu shem angifuni qamba manga. Please do comment down on the comment section and tell me who was your winner in this case. Now, thank you guys so much for joining me. I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.